Okra soup recipe, the ultimate West African delicacy. Wow, do you see how delicious this are looking? It's looking yummy, guys. So today I will be using this Temo fruit juicer to blend my pepper. This is my pepper. I'm going to start with this. This juicer make this food so easy for me. So if you have this, it's not only juice, you can use it, or vegetable, you can use it. You can also use it to blend your okra. The smallest one in it, I use it to blend my pepper, and that did a great job, guys. Look at it. After charging it, I use it to blend my pepper very nice. So look at it. Just let's dive into this cooking. Let me showcase every down thing in this. So if you are a foodie member, join me in the kitchen as I share my secrets for making this most delicious and authentic okra soup. This classic West African dish is a steps for a reason. It is hearty, flavorful, and comforting. In this video, I will show you how to prepare okra soup from scratch using fresh ingredients and the traditional techniques. Whether you are a fan of African cuisine or just looking to become a favorite. So let's get cooking and make some unforgettable okra soup. Guys, keep watching and I will detail every down thing I do in this video. I will show you step by step how I got this wonderful and flavorful okra soup. So keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and if you have not liked this video, please like this video, and you will also give me a comment in the comment section after watching. Don't forget to watch to the end because this is so wonderful. Keep watching, guys.
Looking for a place to learn how to cook Chikwado space. Chikwado space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado space. For lifestyle and product reviews, Chikwado space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, yeah. Chikwado space. Chikwado space, oh, Chikwado space. Ana piano na muta, money where they catch up. You got muta abuko, inspiring check, educating check, entertaining check. For food we did, for vlog we did, lifestyle and product review. All in Chikwado space. This is Chikwado space channel. Oh, this is Chikwado space channel. Oh, if you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado space. Chikwado space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado space. For lifestyle and product reviews, Chikwado space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, yeah. Chikwado space. Chikwado space, oh, Chikwado space. We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, and comment.
Wow, this Temo juicer Flavorful juicer is doing wonderful. It's doing excellent. The first day I made a review about this juicer, I did not know that I did not charge it very well. This time around, I have charged it for like sub 30 minutes or thereabout, and I brought it out. I said, wow, I don't even know that you can press it and it can be blending things without without putting your hand there. That did a great job. Blend my okra like tomorrow no day. Guys, so if you have it, you can as well use it to blend something like that. Mostly this small one is very nice to blend something like this. Then let me know if you have used it for something like this, or you use it to maybe something. Okay, yeah, this is so good. So I say, let me just show you as I'm cooking this delicious okra soup, guys. Yeah, I will go ahead to remove the fish I added. I added the fish, allow it to cook. I do remove it, guys, because I like whenever I cook soup, I get my things inside. When I say my things, I would like to see fish inside, because if there is no fish or something like this, it will be as if the soup is not sweet. But if you have something to chew, you will like it. So I remove my dry fish and my mackerel. Then I will go ahead to add my crayfish. After adding crayfish, I will add my okra. You see how I cut this okra, and in a way, see, I want this okra to be wonderful, flavors and delicious, as the name of this soup sounds. Guys, are you seeing the face of this soup? This soup is giving. Guys, try it this way, mostly using this seafood. Like this mixed one is very nice. As well, you can as well use prawns, you can as well use shrimps. Depends on what you want to give it a wonderful flavor and the wonderful taste. Okay, I use this mixed shrimps to bring the flavor out. Okay, so I will go ahead to turn it very well. This okra need to turn so that it can draw. Although I don't want this one to draw too much. If you want your own to draw much, please blend like half, and also this half. So here I will go ahead to add my kale. This kale, I call this kale here in light tune, and also add it to my freezer. Now, whenever I'm cooking, I'll just bring it out. I'm not going to add much. I will add like a little to bring the face or the face of this food to look beautiful. Then I will go ahead to add the fishes, the dry and the fresh fishes, and I will go ahead to turn it very nice. Guys, keep watching. Let me allow you to watch to the end, guys. If you have not subscribed to this extent, please subscribe. Share this video. In fact, share this video. If you are liking this food, this soup, like this, guys.
If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado space. Everybody got Chikwado space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado space. For lifestyle and product reviews, Chikwado space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, Chikwado space. Chikwado space, oh, Chikwado space. On a fair on a muta, money where I can show you. Nigga muta abuwa, inspiring check, educating check, check for food.
The soup is done, guys.
Lifestyles and product review. All in Chikwado space.
Delicious. Yummy, whatever.
Chikwado.
Try this method and let me know what you think. Okay? Yeah, this is the end of this video.
This is
I will take it out and let you know how it looks. So yummy.
If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado.
So guys, this is the outcome of our delicious and yummy-licious and flavorful and colorful okra soup. Try it and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to give me a comment. Please share so that others can learn to try this. God bless you for watching. Love you. See you next time. Bye.